Students, today we will discuss the squares and square root. Today I will do square root by prime factorization method. First example, if we want to find the square root of 144, firstly we will find the LCM of the 144 with the prime factorization. So its prime factors firstly we will find by taking their LCM. Now these are the prime factors of 144. So what is the square root of the 144? Firstly we will write all the factors of the 144. Now we will make the pair of each number. So when we will take from the two only one number, that is the square root. So from these two we will take 1 2, from these two we will take 1 2, and from these three we will take 1 3. So now we will multiply 2 2s are 4 and 3s 12. So 140 square root of 144 is 12. Now another number is 729. So firstly we will find the LCM of the 729 by finding the prime factors. These are the prime factors of the 729. Now we will find the square root. We will write all the factors in the square root sign. Now we will make the pairs. We will take one number from 2. So now we will multiply 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So this is the square root of 729. Okay students. Students, in this question they are saying find the smallest number by which 4864 must be divided. So in this question they are saying कि with which smallest number we will divide it. If they have given you multiply or divide, then you will follow the prime factorization method. So first of all we will find the prime factors of this number. So I will find the prime factors. So now students, this is the prime factors. So same we will find the prime factors. Find the prime factors by writing the prime factors in the square root. So how many times they have given you? 8 times 2 is there and 1 time 19 is there. Now we will make the pair. Now you can see 19 is alone. There is not any pair of 19. So 19 is the smallest number by which 4864 must be divided to become a perfect square. So we will divide it with 19. So when we will divide it with 19, then 256 will come. So now you will leave the 19. Other factors will be the factor of 256. So now we will write again other factors in the square root, because these are the factors of the 256. Now we will make the pair. This is the factor of This is the square root of the 256. So square root of 256 is 16. So understood students? If they have given you multiply or divide word, then you will follow the prime factorization method. This question they have given you कि find the smallest number, that should be multiply. So again in multiply and divide we will follow the prime factorization method. So first of all we will find the prime factors of the 1280. So these are the prime factors. So we will write it in square root and make the pairs. Make the pair. Now you can check. 5 is alone. So here they were given multiplied. So we need 5 more to make the pair of 5. So here we will multiply it with 5. So 5 is the smallest number here. Okay. So 5 is the smallest number. So to make it perfect square. Now we will write the prime factor of 6400. So we will add one more 5 here. We have already found the factors of 1280, but in this we have multiplied it with 5. So one more 5 will be there. Now we will make the pair and find its square root. So its square root is 80. So understood students? If they have given you multiplied or divided word, then you will find the prime factorization method. So if they have given you multiply, then you will multiply the number which is not in pair. If they have given you divide word, then you will divide with the same number which is not in pair. Okay students? We will do square root by long division method. In this, first of all you will write the square table up to 9. First of all, in this you will make the pair for extremely right. Starting from the extremely right. So make the pair. This is the first pair and this is the second. Always you will solve the first pair from the square table. This is 2. Now you will check which number will come here from the square table. 1 ones are 1. So you always remember here that divisor and quotient should be equal. So in this method, first method is make the pair. Then first pair you will solve from the square table and divisor and quotient should be same. Now we will subtract it. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you will take another pair with it. Now the next divisor. What will be the next divisor? First of all, you will multiply with the 2. So always you will multiply the quotient with 2. Now there is 1. So 2 ones are 2. So our next divisor is the first letter of the divisor is 2. Now you will take one more unit digit with it like 1. If you have taken 1, so you will multiply also with 1. But it is less than 121. So you will take another digit like 2. If I will take 2, we will multiply also with 2. Similarly, we will take another digits and check which will come. So the number should be 125. So we will check. Now you can see 125 has already come. So our unit digit should be 5. So we will take here 5 and also with the quotient 25 5 is 125. So what is the square root of 225? Square root of 225 is 50. Now I will take another example of the 5 digits. So making pair, we will start from the extremely right. So this is the first pair and this is the second pair. Now this is the, from the left, it is the first pair. We will always solve this from the square table. So now we will check which number will come here. This 2 2s are 4. So I will take 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now the next step is multiply the quotient with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Now I will take another pair here. So now we will again check which unit digit will come here. So I will take 1. So it will come 41. If I will take 2, then it will come 84. But 84 is greater than 57. So I will take 41. So 41 ones are 41. Now I will subtract it. Now I take another pair. Now we will make another divisor. Again we will multiply it with 21. So 21 2s are 42. Now we will take digit after the 42. So 42 1 421. 42 42 and 2 we have taken unit digit 2. So now we will multiply it 4 4 8 4. Now we will take 3 and check. We will take 4. Then we will take 5. So now you can check what will be the answer. So we will take here 4 and 4. So okay, this is the square root of the 45,796 is equal to 240.